how's it going? Welcome to Woods Weekly.
So today my sister's going to be doing my makeup. She's got access to brushes, eyeshadows, lipsticks, blushes, all the makeup, and she's going to do it on her own without any help.
So we're going to be using this MAC foundation, a dabbing brush.
Can you not get it in my hair? Okay, good.
It's not in your hair. Right, look at me. I need to wet this. Hold up, we'll be right back. On here.
You're going to show them what you're doing?
Like this. You know, oh my god. Oh, your face looks... Oh, look at that. I'm doing so good, guys. You need to turn it because that might be dripping, so...
I can close my eye and you can get my eye. Okay, you don't have to be so delicate. I appreciate it, but you can actually blend into the colour. You've got a forceful grip on my head there, don't you? Bro, can you loosen up the grip on my head? Thanks.
How's that? You look like a little born baby. I'll give you a quick close up.
Next.
Right. Powder. You need the shades, the jawline shades. That's the one thing you need. We have found the Hoola Benefit. This marble brush, and it'll be in the description below.
Well, it won't be. It won't be. I'm
right.
not doing that.
Which would have been used, but...
Well, yeah, because it's my makeup. Obviously, when you use it, I'm going to just leave it there.
Right. This is going to be for her. Yep. What the heck is this? Can we just use a blender?
You're running the show, buddy.
That bit's a bit low. But if you look at the other one, that's kind of good. Using this bad boy. Now going to do your nose. Look at that! I'll be using another marble one. I'm going to be using Too Faced because people are two faced these days. Right, you can see that? Yeah, right. We're going to put some Too Faced on Lauren. Smells like Too Faced people. This is an eyebrow thing. Let's draw your eyebrows. Let's not do that yet. Let's brush them up first with our colour. Okay, kind of dark. Let's not do shit.
You need to really dig in. Get that product, girl. You're laughing.
Because you're just looking at me.
Okay.
Oh,
just close my eyes.
shit.
Give them a close up, eh? This is it so far.
If you just plucked your eyebrows, it would have been like actually perfect. You didn't tell me about this one, did you? I thought, you know, I thought it was just this bit here. But then I found out it was actually the end, which colours on the thing. That's why it looks so bad. So today we're going to be using some Naked, because I just want to show the camera.
The Naked palette, not
the
something.
Naked palette. Test.
Tartiste.
Tartiste. There's the colours inside of it. Looks kind of pretty. It's really hard work for makeup artists to just pick its own colours. I'm going to go for a gold look. No, I'm going to have to go darker. Dark horse, it is. We're going dark horse, guys. We're going to be using the dark horse. Okay, no, we're going Smog from The Hobbit. Smog. Because he's lit. We just noticed.
Sorry, I'm just...
See, you're making me go like too high. Now look at it.
I'm not doing anything. Okay, I'm just gonna
it's gone too
I'm just
high.
gonna do this. I'm just gonna do this so I can't get told off. Oh, you're using your bloody sausage finger to fix it.
Oh, what was the other colour I used first? It was buck, wasn't it? Buck.
How do you keep cussing all the time, bro?
See, that's the problem. You're meant to have it that way. See, you've been telling me that going this high. It's actually that low.
I didn't tell you. I haven't even said anything.
It looks so bad. And I'm probably going to upwards too. Stop laughing because it's not us. You know what?
Don't be dumb. Don't be dumb.
I can't.
Don't be dumb.
I'm getting annoyed.
Don't be dumb. And do a bad.
I don't know how they do it on this house. Like, straight up, I don't know how they literally just look at the mirror.
This is what we've got so far.
And it
Okay,
doesn't
just look at my eyes and what do you think?
disgusting. That's what I think.
Yep, just go, mate.
So you made me look like you got panda eyes now.
I didn't do anything.
So you keep looking down and it's like making you go like,
I
I'm using that one. I don't know. Comment down below what you think this one is. That one there. If you can see. Doesn't make any difference. Okay, we're not using that anymore. It doesn't make any difference whatsoever.
Did you tell them what you were using?
No, I did. No, I didn't. Lime crime, because we're gonna make a crime with this makeup on. Oh my god.
Oh no.
It was on your teeth. Yes. Oh, you did that on purpose.
No.
I had it in line and you just like this.
No, look. Yeah, there you go.
You know what we need to go off the look. I know one thing we need. Okay, hold on. Right. We're not putting this on Lime's face, okay? We're gonna do something really cool. That everyone wants.
God, I'm just freaking out.
Okay. Just...
What are you doing?
Wait. Don't move. Don't move.
Don't do that. It makes it go
Don't
crusty.
move. Don't move.
No, I know you can do it. I don't.
Do it.
Oh my god, I don't want to do this.
Don't move because it's gonna go in this bit.
Okay, just do it. I knew you were gonna do that. I
Yo,
freaking knew
you
it.
look lit. Can I hold on?
No, stop. That's
No,
enough.
it's not enough. It looks blurry.
Yep. Yep. Are you happy with that?
That looks awesome.
Look at that. Are you happy with this?
Look at this look, guys.
Wow, this is the completed look. How do you think you did?
I think I did bloody fantastic, to be honest.
I would give this look a 2.
Comment down below what you guys thought of my look, because I don't think that was a 2. Dot on your face makes you look so different. That's the thing that makes me laugh. You look like a different person.
I know. So that wraps up our video. Our sister does my makeup challenge. Give it a like, subscribe, comment down below. We'll see you next week with another video from Woods Weekly.